Hey, Eric Tate here alongside my buddy Nick Lacapo, and today we are here to talk to you about Cody Fisher's Happy Birthday to You.
Oh, thanks, Eric.
Oh, is it your birthday?
No.
Oh, this is a good trick. You ever seen this trick before?
Oh, no, never.
No, really?
Never.
Oh,
seen
you're going to love this
before.
trick.
Yeah.
Did you know that every deck of cards can be used as a calendar?
No.
This is your personal calendar, Nick. Go ahead, shuffle these cards up. Don't do any one of those fake shuffles either. I want to be like
real.
a real
You know
shuffle.
how it is, man. It's hard to real shuffle sometimes if you're anything like me. All right, yeah, that's really shuffled.
There you go. All right, so this deck of cards now is your calendar. Right?
Okay.
What's your birthday?
April 18th.
April 18th. Would you believe it? I have a piece of paper inside this wallet that has your birthday written on it.
I mean, I'd be blown away.
Would you?
I mean, maybe not me, but you know, if we didn't know each other, I'd be pretty blown away.
You would?
Yeah.
All right. Take a look right here. Boom! There it is, right there. That is your. See, it's a calendar, and it's got.
Yeah.
Look here. Let me show you. There, right there. See, it's April 18th, right there.
I see it.
You see it?
I'm not impressed, but yeah.
How are you not impressed?
You have all the dates on there, Eric.
That's not cool for you?
No.
Okay, well, look, so here's the deal. Seriously, every deck of cards can be used as a calendar, right? Because if you add up all of the different suits in this, actually, here, I've got little information right here, right? If you so on the cards, we got 4 different seasons, right? And those represent there's 4 different suits that represent the 4 different seasons. And then, of course, there's 13 ranks of cards that represent the 13 phases of the lunar cycle. And then also, there's 12 court cards, and that represents the 12 months of the year, just like this calendar, right? Mm-hmm. And on top of that, if you add up all of the individual pips on the cards, you get 364. If you then add up the 2 jokers, that gives you 365. And there's an additional joker for 366 for leap year, right? So you can use all of all of that information in this deck to get to whatever date you need. We'll tell you what, we'll find your birthday in this deck.
Okay.
Right? So what was it? Your birthday was April
18th.
18th. Okay, so we need 18 cards. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And numerology, you know numerology, right?
Oh, well, not me. I know you're big into it.
Oh, I'm super big into numerology. If you don't know anything about Eric Tate, know that he is big into numerology. What you've got to do is get down to a single digit. So you add the first digit and the second digit together to make a single digit. So 18, that's 9, right? So then we get down to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's 9th card right there. That's, so that's your birthday card.
Okay.
Well, you know how you can tell that, right? There's of all of the different cards that you could have chosen in the deck, there's only one card that is your birthday card. And by your birthday card, I mean it's the only card that actually says happy birthday on the back. I know, right?
It's the only red card?
Yeah.
Yep.
So you remember when I told you that I had a piece of paper in there that had your birthday on it?
Yeah,
that
it was
wasn't
a dumb gag.
No,
yeah.
that wasn't a dumb gag.
No, it was pretty dumb.
No, it wasn't, because here's the calendar, right? But if you look at on the back of this card, it's your birthday card.
I like this trick a lot.
Oh, it's great. It's super good.
It's really, really good.
Yeah, you got a lot of fun props here. There's a really great routine with sort of multiple reveals, and it's Cody Fisher's routine, so you know it's been worked in super well.
Yeah.
Tons of patter, tons of jokes.
So there's so much to say about this.
Yeah.
One, you're dealing with somebody's birthday. Who doesn't like to talk about themselves and their birthday, right? So, what you're going to get is you will get this birthday card here that's going to have a whatever card is on the back. I don't know if they're all the Queen of Diamonds. I'd assume that they probably are.
Yep.
But yeah, you'll just have to grab it also is going to come with a deck.
Yep, it comes with a deck, which is really nice. There's nothing gimmicked about the deck at all.
And we'll talk about that in just a second. So, and then of course you just need a matching odd back card, and that's it. Those go in your wallet, and then of course the wallet also comes with the little script cards there.
Yeah, you can use you don't have to use these script cards if you don't want to, but if you have trouble remembering all of the different facts and figures, because these are true, by the way.
Yeah, I guess we can get into it now. Like,
yeah.
I know that we're familiar with this line of patter
Yeah.
that exists with the deck of cards relating to a calendar. If you've never heard this before, I know we were kind of burning through it there. It's fascinating, number one, and it's a great thing to share with people. People don't know this.
Yeah.
You know, every time you say this, it's kind of like an inside magic joke, I think, at this point, right?
Yeah.
Like, what trick do you use that pattern for, Eric? You know? But if you've never used it, you should, because it's really cool.
Yeah.
So this is here for a couple of reasons. One, so that you don't have to memorize it. But two, adds a little time delay between the shuffling procedure and the other thing.
Because this can be done from a shuffle deck
Yeah.
in use, which is really interesting. There's probably some ways where you could have set this up in advance and then gotten to the card, but Cody does all of that.
There's
He
no
gets
reason.
all that out of you.
There's no reason. The deck has nothing to do with the trick.
Nope.
It's this.
Everything
it's
in
the
there.
wallet. This goes in your pocket, and you can use whatever deck you want, you know, as long as the card that you have in here doesn't match that deck, right? But that's what's great too, is because at the end, when you got the deck out and you got the calendar out, right? The calendar's out, and you've done the reveal. Check out the reset, right? Because all you're going to do is this. This goes in your wallet like this.
It's so smart.
And then this goes in your pocket.
Like, that's how you can tell that this is a real worker, is the reset is, like, literally as you're putting it away, you're resetting the deck.
Right.
It's so good.
So you're going to get Cody's routine, and you're going to get the special card that you know makes it really possible to do, because you're going to need that calendar gag card that helps not only get you ready, but you know makes it even a better trick as well. Cody's the man. I mean, I say it all the time. Cody's stuff is just so.
Anytime you see Cody Fisher's name on something, you know that this is something that came from his working act, that he's done forever, that it's everything is all set up. He's got the whole thing figured out for you.
Yeah, there's barely a move. I mean, there's kind of a move, but nothing difficult at all here.
Yeah.
You'll love it. I mean, like I said, don't think about the deck. It's just this little wallet, hangs out in your pocket. I mean, you can keep all this stuff in there too if you want. So. Great trick. It doesn't have to be this wallet either.
No.
I should mention, if you have a better one.
Yeah,
it's
you
fine.
could
But
keep
will
those
get
cards in your everyday carry wallet.
Yeah.
You could keep them just about anywhere.
Yeah.
That's Cody Fisher's happy birthday to you. Fantastic trick. You should check it out.